Excessive noise from HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning equipment can be a common issue that may arise from various sources. Here are some steps you can take to address and reduce excessive noise. 1. Identify the source of the noise. Determine if the noise is coming from the HVAC unit itself, the ductwork, or the air vents. This will help you narrow down the possible causes. 2. Regular maintenance. Ensure that the HVAC system is well maintained. Regularly clean or replace air filters, lubricate moving parts, and schedule professional maintenance to address any issues. 3. Inspect and tighten components. Check for loose or vibrating components, such as screws, bolts, or panels. Tighten any loose parts to eliminate potential sources of noise. 4. Isolate vibrations. Use vibration isolators or rubber pads to reduce the transfer of vibrations from the HVAC unit to the building structure. This can help minimize noise transmission. 5. Install acoustic insulation. Add acoustic insulation to the walls around the HVAC equipment. This can help absorb sound and prevent it from traveling throughout the building. 6. Ductwork inspection. Inspect the ductwork for any loose or damaged sections. Loose ducts can create noise as air passes through. Seal joints and connections properly. 7. Upgrade to quieter equipment. If your HVAC system is old and noisy, consider upgrading to newer, more efficient, and quieter equipment. Look for units specifically designed for low noise levels. 8. Install a sound barrier. Create a sound barrier around the HVAC unit using materials designed for noise reduction. This could include acoustic panels, soundproofing curtains, or enclosures. 9. Adjust fan speed. If possible, adjust the fan speed settings on the HVAC unit. Lowering the speed can reduce noise without significantly affecting performance. 10. Consult with HVAC professionals. If the noise persists or if you are unsure about the cause, it's advisable to consult with HVAC professionals. They can perform a thorough inspection, identify the specific issue, and recommend appropriate solutions. Remember that addressing excessive noise may involve a combination of these strategies, and the effectiveness of each method can vary depending on the specific circumstances of your HVAC system and building. Check out this link for much more educational information: https://bit.ly/m/HVAC